Hiya, babe. Hiya, Big T.
This is my nuclear-powered bride, Adelaide Rowley.
What?
He only gets cross when he calls me Adelaide.
And he's wearing a nice tie from Peru.
He's wearing a special.
This is my llama tie.
Your llama tie.
This is my llama.
And behind you, you have the dwarf Christmas tree of 1987.
A dwarf Christmas tree.
A dwarf Christmas tree,
Cut from both the bottom twice and the top once.
blinking in a lovely way.
We don't mind him at all now. He holds all my mice.
Here on December 27th, 1987 at 117 Woodland Road, in the land of Chestnut Hill, Boston, Massachusetts.
Mom, say hi, Ma. Hi! Hi, Aunt Sally, hi!
Hi, Godfather.
Hey, Turkey, hi, Jack!
God bless.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Chilly.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Mary Kay.
Here. Hi. 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 Hello.
Mary Kay, look at Mommy being foolish.
Boy, she's just tolerating all this nonsense.
I won't
Say,
get too
what
late.
have I gotten
Mark,
myself
can you
into?
be
In a second.
Yeah, we have to
Girl's
get
voice in the background going, still running the red light.
Want me to get the other one? I
Yes.
think she might be sleeping.
John's being carried away here.
This is what happens when you have too much recreation. You begin to drink pie-eyes. He won't believe this. Davis, if you're seeing this, this is from the Coco Loco to the pie-eye. The pie-eye makes the Coco Loco look like lightweight JV day camp stuff. Okay, now see if you can have a sip of that. He is now sipping from the pie-eye. I beg your pardon? I'll bet it does. Now,
There are three positions for your father's trousers. One while he's standing, one while he's sitting, and one while he's driving the car.
And I've created a fourth for this trip.
and where are they hanging now, fans?
I got them around my neck.
Standing.
Dad, what happens if you go down? What should we do?
Just tie a tag on me.
There he goes, Ted Rowley, a man in his ruins. There's Mrs. Rowley with him.
It is ruined. That's his wife.
No.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Put it away.
All right.
Let's try taking the lens cap
All right.
off.
We're recording here.
All right, well, you got to get the pants. So the pants are what
Yeah, I know.
It's rearranging.
we are now doing our imitation of what it will look like, Ted, 20 or 30 years from now.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, God, they're going to make.
Oh, nice pants. Now let's get the whole look here.
That's as time as they've done in years.
They happen. All rally men have pancake acid.
Oh, dear. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Perhaps, please, fruit of your loins, get in between them.
You did this.
I love
You did
this.
this.
Can we see yours? Turn around, please. Can you all turn around now? Oh, please, look at the wall, please.
Look at the wall. All right.
Oh,
All right.
me too.
Somewhere else.
She's got her pants. Well, let's see. Wait a sec here. Wait a sec here. All right. Okay. Okay, Miles. There we go. All right. She's got a pancake ass too. Pancake ass. It's confirmed. Confirmation. Confirmation.
I don't believe it.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you pulling off that tight?
I'm busy.
That's a rumble for us.
Busy on the counter here.
Shake it
I'm
off.
busy working on the counter.
She all done with the stuff?
Oh, Ginger.
All Rowley men have pancake ass.
Oh, there's Ginger. What do you think? We're practicing for the Ted lookalike contest.
Hey, we got
30 years.
We got a pair of these over there. That's in the morning.
What do you think? Yes, we gotta get Mouse in here. Oh, look at that.
All Rowley men
Hey,
have
that's a
pancake
lovely look.
asses.
That's very nice. Oh, check out the yams.
That was a little wet there.
Dog saw the master. Beautiful day for a drive to Vermont. The Rowleys are an unusual family. They have packed more things than Caesar took when he conquered most of Europe. And here comes Carol. It's a bitter cold day here. And here comes Mom. It's a bitter cold day here.
I don't believe
Where's Hannibal?
There's the scene.
There's the scene. I've already got the scene.
Oh, that's so funny.
Baby dog waiting in the car. Britannia! And there they go. Here we go in sub-freezing or just about sub-freezing temperatures. Loading into the car. Carol gets the position of honor, as befits her status. Mom carrying everything, including the kitchen sink. We believe we have it on good reports from secret sources that they have the kitchen sink in that car as well. And it's a cold and a lovely day. Yoo-hoo! We have it on informed sources that you have the kitchen sink in that car.
Yeah, I'm very much afraid we are.
Oh.
You're screaming at me.
Get into the car here.
I'm probably like the
Followed by the
lady in All in the Family.
followed by the 60 Minutes camera.
No, this is sweet. You can start the car before we go.
Okay, okay. We have ignition, we have liftoff.
All right. Be
Good
careful,
luck, you guys.
Be careful, sweetheart.
Drive careful, Mom. Drive careful, big team. We'll be probably 45 minutes to an hour behind you. And there they go, down Woodland Road. The Mousemobile and the kitchen sink. Safe trip, guys. Turning the corner at Kitty's and off to a new adventure.